Alright, so following this video, you're going to be at IXL solving two-step equations. And so you'll see here which standard that is underneath Algebra 1, so it's J4. Remember, if you pre-tested out of this, then please skip, okay? Here we go. Okay, two-step equations. I have the tiles on the right-hand side if you're using those. If you don't need them, don't use them. If you need them, please go get them off my desk. Ask for them. Okay, so here we go. So we first need to, if you look over at your tiles over here, we need to get rid of those ones first. The whole idea is to get x by itself. Pardon me. So if we have these two negative ones, how can I make 0? How do I undo it? Exactly. I'm going to add 2 both sides. And I need to do the same if I'm do the same on both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to come over here and do that with the tiles. I'm adding 1. Okay. And then I look for anything that I can take off, anything that zeroes out. So if I come at my equation, I'd have 4x left, because this makes 0. You'll notice this makes 0 equals, this makes 0. What do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4. Let me erase those zeros because we are actually going to take those away. Like so. Okay, see how my tiles match? And now I need to get what 1x is equal to, right? So I'm going to do the opposite of this multiplication in here, like our last video, right? So if we have 4 times x to undo, we would divide by the coefficient by 4. You'll notice over here on the tiles, we just want to make some groups. So how many would each x get if we made groups, 4 different groups? How many is in each group? -1. And there you have it, two-steppers. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one has a division in there. So the numbers are pretty big, so I'm going to, for space, I'm not going to use the tiles, but again, if you need them, use them. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of any addition or subtraction that is being done to x. It's being added, x is getting 21 added to it, right? That's how many ones would be over there in the tiles. So to undo, we're going to subtract 21 and then write down what we got left. That makes 0, that zeroes out. (14 plus a -21). Okay, if you're having some trouble with those sign numbers, you need to get you a number line, and you need to raise your hand and come get me, and we need to do some sign numbers real quick, okay? All right, so now we need to undo this division, right? Get rid of that 8. How do we undo division? Exactly, we're going to multiply by 8. And then what's left? Now remember, to undo this division, we multiplied by 8. So they undo each other. They make a 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1x. When I cancel that out like that, it's really just a 1. We don't have to write the 1 in front of the x. If you do, it's not a big deal. -7 times 8,